Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 super useful Windows shortcuts in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. Press on Window plus E. You can easily open your File Explorer, which will be easier for you. Click on Windows plus Alt plus R. Your video recorder will be open. My video recorder is already open, that's why I cannot able to show you. Now click on Windows plus V. You will find all of your copy text. You don't need to press Ctrl C plus Ctrl V. So you can use these 3 super useful Windows shortcuts in your laptop. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.